Yeah, the train deal is this group of guys has this business plan where they want to take these train cars, chop them down so that they can be like moved on the streets without too much of a fiasco, and then have both halves rejoined in a parking lot to act like a food truck essentially, but like a massive food truck that's a bar and restaurant. So that's kind of tight. It's just figuring out like the logistics of how the fuck do you cut two trains in half and put them back together and make them do things they were never meant to do.
We're gonna meet up with Kevin Rennie at Rennie and Clark Towing. He's got some crane trucks, so we got to structure this plan of how the trains are gonna be supported while they get cut in half, so that no one dies and no damage is done to the trains. So it's kind of just running by the seat of my pants, figuring out the game plan for this. Definitely the first time I've thought about how to work on a train. I mean, definitely excited, nervous, but I mean, I guess we'll figure it out as we go. I think they ought to leave the graffiti on the outside. It gives it a nice touch. It's like all a guessing game of what exactly you're cutting through. I mean, I've always been one to get kind of tuned up and then just take a sawzall and see what happens.
You see, I've never worked on a train before. Definitely never cut one in half. Don't even know someone who has. Measure twice, cut once? Nah, we're gonna measure a dozen times. There's no margin for error in something like this.
So another day, we're headed back after the trains. We got one of them supported. It's almost ready to cut now. I think it's December 8th. We'll be cutting at least one and a half. Two of the guys are already out there ripping another one of the train cars to shreds so it can be prepared to be cut. Just so much happening, so much to coordinate. We have a crew of guys coming out on the 8th, ready to cut. Another crew of guys coming out to pick the train up and get it onto a trailer so we can relocate it. Hopefully between today and tomorrow we get that wrapped up. And then off to the races. Once these puppies are cut, then we get to have some real fun. The fucking like local ghetto kids, they figured out that like in this they could unlock the doors. Yeah. So the guys disabled it on the inside so you can't get in and fuck it up anymore.